It's the middle of a Monday afternoon earlier this month. A very calm Peralta waits on the curb for officers to arrive.
I'm just tired of covering it up already.
Try to cover it up?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm tired of living with my wife, sir.
The guilt?
Hell yeah.
The officer asks if Peralta will take him to where he buried Blodgett.
Let's go.
Okay.
Without being told, Peralta puts his hands behind his back to be cuffed. As he's walked to a patrol car, he thanks the officers.
Thank you guys for coming.
It's the first of many thank yous throughout his arrest. Peralta's driven to the Roswell Police Department, where he tells them he's taken blood pressure pills and a drink to get up the nerve to come forward.
Did it happen at the house?
It did.
It did?
I was on meth really bad.
Okay.
And I killed him because he didn't give me no money. And I buried him in his house.
Because he can't remember the address, Peralta agrees to help them locate the house. We later find out he lived there too. Blodgett was his landlord. In his early 20s, Peralta rented a room in Blodgett's house.
It's right here. The next house.
This white one?
This white one here?
Yeah. I buried him in that slight place right here.
The area that looks like a room added on to the home. Now that they have the address, police match it to an old report on William Blodgett's disappearance, which shows they were suspicious of Peralta then and even searched the house.
Why didn't they smell his body in there?
I don't know.
It's a good question. Blodgett's son reported him missing in January 2009, saying he hadn't been seen since Christmas Eve. Court records revealed police used a cadaver dog on the property days after he disappeared. And a detective interviewed Peralta because a witness told police Blodgett had accused Peralta of stealing his wallet and tried to evict him. But the report states neither the dog nor Peralta gave police any leads. They closed the case.
But what part of that room?
The left side.
The left side?
Yeah, if you pull the board up and dig him up.
And sure enough, with a shovel and flashlights, officers get to work doing just that.
Let's pull this out.
Let's see what
Let's see where to get it with the shovel.
It takes some time, but they eventually realize Peralta was telling the truth. That boot has bones in it. While they wait for the search warrant to continue collecting remains, Peralta is driven back to the station. Police have more questions.
I just don't want to talk anymore.
Well, it's off your shoulders now, man.
Peralta starts to let go of 14 years of guilt.